Very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all are fine and safe at home. Next topic. Already you learnt atoms, molecules and matter. Today we are going to discuss about matter and its classification. Matter is classified to two types. Before that I am asking one question to you. What is the states of matter? Very good children. Solid, liquid and gas. Okay, matter is classified to two types. Pure substances and mixtures. What is the meaning of pure substances? Constant composition. What is the meaning of mixtures? Variable composition. Pure substances is classified to two, elements and compounds. Mixtures is classified to two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Pure substances is only one substance, present no impurities. That's why we are called as pure substances. It's classified to two types, elements and compounds. What is element? Cannot be divided into simpler substances is called element. Cannot be divided into simpler substances is called element. What is compound? Made from elements. Chemically bonded together is called compounds. Made from elements, chemically bonded together is called compounds. Mixture is classified to two types. What is mixture? More than one substance present is called a mixture. Is classified to two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. What is homogeneous? Substance completely mixed. Mixture exists in one state is called homogeneous. Next, heterogeneous. Substances separate one state spread throughout the other is called heterogeneous. The pure substances is classified into two types, element and, very good children, compound. You know one thing, the element is classified to two types, atoms and molecules. Here some example picture are here. Ne, the symbol of neon. O2, the symbol of oxygen. So compound is classified to two types, molecules and ions. Some pictures are here. H2O, then NaCl, sodium chloride. Okay, what is atom? Already we have studied. Once again we can recall. An atom, a fundamental piece of matter. An atom itself made by of three tiny kinds of particles called subatomic particles. Protons, neutrons, very good children, electrons. These three particles is called subatomic particles. Protons and the neutrons make up the center of the atom. Proton is a positive element. The neutron is a neutral element. So makeup center of the atom is called nucleus, and the electrons fly around above the nucleus in a small cloud. Okay, here two pictures are here, atom picture. So inside the atom is known as nucleus. Here proton and neutron containing. The outside electron is revolved around in elliptical shape. This is a hydrogen atom. This photograph shows the atom's electron orbit. The first time we have been able to observe wave function of an atom. Next one, molecule. A molecule is an electrically neutral group of two or more atoms held together by chemical bonds. Here the molecule structure is here. Here the examples of common molecules. What is the molecular formula of water? H2 plus O. So H2O is the water molecular formula. N2 is a symbol of nitrogen. Ozone, the symbol is O3. Calcium oxide, the symbol is CaO. Glucose, a type of sugar, the symbol is, the formula of glucose is C6H12O6. So table salt, that means sodium chloride, the symbol is NaCl. Sodium Na, chloride Cl, so sodium chloride NaCl. Already you know very well, the pure substances is classified to two types, element and compound. So water is an example of compound. Elements are the purest substance. What is element? Elements are the purest substance which is made up of only one kind of atoms or molecules is called element. Compound. What is compound? A compound is a substance made of two or more elements. Two or more elements bonded chemically with each other is called compound. Once again we can recall the elements and compound. What is elements? Elements are the purest substance which is made up of only one kind of atoms or molecules. Compound. A compound is a substance made of two or more elements bonded chemically with each other. Okay. Example, water is a compound. Just now we have discussed water is a compound. The symbol is, water molecular formula is H2O, made up of hydrogen and oxygen. We are going to see the example of elements. Elements are represented by symbols. Example, Al. The symbol of Al is aluminium. Carbon, the symbol is C. Few elements pictures and its symbol also there in this picture. Copper, Cu. Mercury, Hg. Sulfur, S. The components and its symbol. Examples of elements. Gold, Au. Aluminium, Al. Silver, Ag. Oxygen, O. He, helium. Ne, neon. Al, aluminium. K, potassium. You will be studying in higher classes the periodic table of element. Examples of elements include oxygen, hydrogen, sodium, chlorine, lead, iron, etc. Next we are going to see examples of compound. Oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, sodium, chlorine. Oxygen. symbol is O. Carbon symbol is C. Hydrogen symbol is H. Sodium Na. Chlorine Cl. So sodium chloride, if you take the sodium chloride means Na is positive, Cl is negative. So sodium metal, chlorine gas, table salt, these and all example of compound. Sodium hypochlorite bleach, NaClO minus. Water is a compound. So sugar is a compound. The molecular formula of sugar C12H22O11. Examples of compound. C12H22O11 is a sugar formula. Then examples of compounds. Few examples of compounds daily we are using. Water, salt, sugar, then carbon dioxide, rest. These are all example of compounds. Next one, mixture. Mixture can be divided into two categories. One is homogeneous, another one is heterogeneous. What is homogeneous? The different parts are not visible. The different parts are not visible is called homogeneous. Heterogeneous. The different parts are visible and can be separated mechanically is called heterogeneous. Homogeneous example picture here, cool drink. Heterogeneous picture here, pizza. What is a mixture? Two or more elements or compounds not chemically combined can be uniform called homogeneous and are known as solutions. Homogeneous is solutions. Can be uniformed called homogeneous and are known as solutions. Just now we have seen the examples of homogeneous. Very good children, cool drink. So the homogeneous is solution. Can be non-uniform called heterogeneous. Can be non-uniform called heterogeneous. Can be separated into their components by chemical or physical means. Is called mixture. So examples are mixture. Have you seen children? Very delicious snacks and foods are here. Is a mixture. Examples of mixture. A mixture is formed by combining two or more materials. A mixture is formed by combining two or more materials. A homogeneous mixture appears uniform. Homogeneous mixture appear uniform, regardless where you sample it. So mixture is classified to homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Once again we can recall the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. What is homogeneous mixture? We cannot see the individual substance, but we can still separate them. For example, salt water, salt evaporation ponds. We can still separate them. Salt water and salt evaporation ponds. Heterogeneous. We can see the individual substances that make it up, so we can separate them easily. Fruit salad. Different types of food used to prepare fruit salad. So we can see the individual substances that make it up, so we can separate them easily. 4 sessions of pizza. Heterogeneous mixture. In this kind of mixture, you can distinguish all the components. Example, salad, fruit salad, pella, chickpeas, milk and cereals. Heterogeneous mixture. Examples, Lucky Charms, Captain Crunch, Granite, Marble, Chocolate chip, cookies, sand in water, muddy water, suspensions. These are all examples of heterogeneous mixture. Very delicious food, particularly children you are like very much, no? Yes, the homogeneous mixture example. Have you seen this picture? In this kind of mixture you cannot distinguish the components. Puree, coffee, milkshake, chocolate, cold tomato soup and orange juice. These are all example of homogeneous mixture. See the muddy water. The water mixed with the sand is called muddy water. We can get it from the pond. Not a pure substance, but it's a mixture. It's not a muddy water is not a pure substance, but a mixture. So H2O is the water molecule, then is added by mud particles. So both is called muddy water. Okay. Your reader given the pure substances and mixture. In some, we find products which are sold at 100% pure. For common people, pure means unadulterated, that which does not contain any cheap or harmful additives. Are these really pure substances as they claim to be? No, we cannot find this. For a chemist, the word pure means something else. A pure substance is made up of only one kind of particles. Pure substance may be elements and compounds. An atom is the smallest particle that an element is made up of some kind of atoms. Molecule is the combination of, very good children, two or more atoms. Compound in substance formed by the chemical combination of, very good children, two or more element. Okay, once again we can recall the pure substances, also the difference between pure substances and mixture. Pure substances are made of only one matter. Thus the composition is the same throughout. Mixture are made up of several substances that are not chemically bonded. Pure substances. A chemical and physical properties are constant. Mixture. Chemical and physical properties may vary. Pure substances can be categorized as gas, liquid and solid. But mixture categorized as homogeneous and heterogeneous. Example of pure substances include pure water, hydrogen gas, gold. Example of mixture include sand and sugar, oil and water. Okay children, detailed questions in this lesson. Detailed questions 1 to 3 you should thorough easily. You should read thoroughly, write the test and send it to your